Hi, friends, welcome to my channel Easy Study Academy 5555. How are you all? I hope you all are well. In today's video, we will learn to speak small sentences that we use in daily life and which we often forget to speak.
Recent actions.
Have you finished your homework?
Almost just have a math problems left to do.
Have you finished your homework?
No, I got distracted watching TV.
Had he called you today?
Yes, he called just an hour ago to check on me.
Had he called you today?
No yet, but he usually calls in the evenings.
Have you washed the dishes?
I have done most of them, but there are still few cups left.
Have you washed the dishes?
Oh, no, completely forget about them.
Change over time.
Have you improved your English?
I think so. I can understand movies much better now.
Have you improved your English?
A little, but I still make many grammar mistakes.
Have the weather gotten colder?
Definitely, I had to wear a jacket this morning.
Have the weather gotten colder?
No, really, it's still quite warm for this season.
Unfinished actions.
Have you lived here long?
Just since January, so about 6 months now.
Have you lived here long?
My whole life I was born in this town.
Has she worked at this company before?
Yes, she walked here for 2 years before leaving and coming back.
Has she worked at this company before?
No, this is her first job after university.
Just already yet.
Have you just arrived?
Yes, I got there just 5 minutes ago. The traffic was terrible.
Have you just arrived?
No, I've been waiting here for about half an hour.
Has he already eaten lunch?
He ate early because he had a meeting at noon.
Has he already eaten lunch?
Not yet, he's waiting his friends to join him.
Health and feelings.
Have you ever ridden a horse?
Once at summer camp, but I was really scared.
Have you ever ridden a horse?
Never. I'm actually a bit afraid of horses.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I've been to 3 different countries to Europe.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Only to Australia, but I'd love to visit more countries.
Food and cooking.
Have you ever cooked pasta?
Many times, it's one of the few things I can cook well.
Have you ever cooked pasta?
Just once, and I burned it. I'm not a good cook.
Have you eaten breakfast yet?
Yes, I had toast and eggs about an hour ago.
Have you eaten breakfast yet?
Not yet. I am never hungry first thing in the morning.
Work and studies.
Have you finished your report?
I have done most of it, but I need to check some facts.
Have you finished your report?
No, I've been putting it off because it is so boring.
Has she passed her exam?
Yes, she got the results yesterday and did really well.
Has she passed her exam?
We won't know until next week. She's very nervous.
Shopping and purchases.
Have you bought groceries this week?
I've got most things. What I still need to get milk and eggs.
Have you bought groceries this week?
Not yet. I'll probably go shopping tomorrow morning.
Has she tried on the dress yet?
Yes, and it fits perfectly. She's gonna wear it to the party.
Has she tried on the dress yet?
She tried it but didn't like the color, so she is returning it.
Have you ever ordered food online?
All the time. I use the food delivery apps at least twice a week.
Have you ever ordered food online?
Only once, and food arrived cold. I prefer eating out.
Technology and internet.
Have you updated your phone recently?
Yes, just last night. The new features are really cool.
Have you updated your phone recently?
No, I keep putting it off because updates take so long.
Has he replied to your email?
Not yet. He's usually slow at responding to messages.
Has he replied to your email?
Yes, he answered immediately with all the information I needed.
Have you ever forgotten your password?
So many times I've had to reset it at least 5 times this year.
Have you ever forgotten your password?
Never. I used a passport manager to remember them all.
Have you played any sports recently?
I've been playing tennis every weekend with my brother.
Have you played any sports recently?
Not since high school. I've become pretty lazy in these days.
Hobbies and interests.
Has she finished to reading that book?
Almost he's on the last chapter now.
Has she finished to reading that book?
No, she got bored after the few pages.
Have you ever tried painting?
Just for fun, I've made few terrible watercolor paintings.
Have you ever tried painting?
Never, but I always wanted to take an art class.
Family and relationships.
Have your parents visited to you recently?
Yes, they came last month and stayed for a whole week.
Have your parents visited to you recently?
Not since Christmas, they live quiet far away.
Has he introduced you to his girlfriend?
You have met few a few times. She's really nice.
Has he introduced you to his girlfriend?
Not yet, but he's promised. We'll all dinner soon.
Have you made any new friend this year?
I have met some great people at my new job.
Have you made any new friend this year?
Not really. I have been too busy with work to socialize.
Household chores.
Have you done the laundry?
I've to washed everything, but still need to fold the clothes.
Have you done the laundry?
Oh no, I've been putting it off all week.
Has she cleaned her room?
Sort of. She's picked up the big things, but not dusted yet.
Has she cleaned her room?
Yes, finally it looks completely different now.
Have you fixed the leaky faucet?
I've tried, but I think we need to call the plumber.
Have you fixed the leaky faucet?
Yes, it took me hours, but I finally stopped the drip. Transportation and travel.
Has the flight been delayed?
Yes, they've announced 2-hour delay due to bad weather.
Has the flight been delayed?
No, it's right on the schedule according to the board.
Have you missed your bus before?
Too many times. I've been late to work at least 2 times this month.
Have you missed your bus before?
No, I always arrive at the stop 10 minutes early.
Have you ever gotten a speedy ticket?
Unfortunately, yes, I've gotten 2 in this year.
Have you ever gotten a speedy ticket?
No, I am very careful, driver.
School and education.
Have you studies for the test?
I've reviewed some notes, but I need to study more this night.
Have you studies for the test?
Yes, I've been preparing all week.
Has the teacher graded your paper?
Not yet. She said she'll return them next week.
Has the teacher graded your paper?
Yes, I got a better grade than I accepted.
Have you joined any school clubs?
I've signed up for the debate team and photography club.
Have you joined any school clubs?
No, I've been too busy with my part-time job.
Keep watching this video every day for 1 week and repeat the exercises to see significant improvements in your English skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content. Happy learning!